Did you blow it?
Or what?
Yep. Did you blow her up?
I don't know. We'll find out, I guess. There's no knock, so.
That's not gonna fall?
Yeah, it'll be fine. Doesn't run that rough.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, well, so I guess we changed the fuel pump out, and so we're gonna find out if she leaks. I'm just gonna fire it up, and if it's good, then I can put all this stuff away and take it for a boot.
But the old return system there went to a pump with a return built in.
Right.
So long story short is he went for a shit kick, and then she started running like he shit kicked it.
Yeah, basically.
Was that a horn?
Yeah, no, it's a buzzer.
Oh, relay buzz. Or
yeah. Key. You ready?
Yep. See if any gas comes flying up.
Okay.
Not yet. What? No smoke?
Well, that's good. Oh, that's a good motor, man. Probably cold still.
Yep, makes sense.
Although I probably could lean for richen it up a bit.
Better off rich than lean.
Yeah.
Your alternator belt looks pretty freaking loose on there.
Yeah. No difference, probably just cold.
Yeah.
But it's not leaking, so yeah, we'll go for a boot, see how she does.
Yep. Well, this will tell us if you blew up the motor or not.
You're not?
Not yet.
Thanks.
But she sure shut off quick enough when you turned off the key.
Yeah, it used to diesel like a bastard.
Yeah. Still think that distributor looks like it's twisted a little bit.
Yeah, that's how it sits in there.
Okay. From what I heard is those distributors don't reach the oil pump. Using those on a 427, but it's good. The idiot light's not on, so see what happens, I guess. A few minutes long. Ready for the test drive?
Yeah.
So remember, I only have around 15 minutes. If it breaks down, I'm going to blame it on you.
And you're just going to walk.
Yeah, I know, hey?
Walk back to your truck and then just leave. Good luck, Dale. Sorry.
Yeah.
Not even good luck. You'll just walk away saying nothing.
Battery pulse terminals on good enough?
Should be right.
Fine? Okay.
Okay. No more parts hanging around on here? Good.
Well, you'll hear a clunk if they hit the fan.
Yeah.
And the horde. The horde begins.
You wish you had your own junkyard.
Oh, damn right. You know, if I had this, I'd turn it into a dune buggy.
I offered you one.
I know, you did.
Lazy fuck.
Well, it's leaking a little bit, I guess, hey? No fresh drops. She's good to go.
This is cool. It's fucking... I think it's fixed.
It was just a fuel pump, you figure? I never seen it before, so...
Yeah, I think it was. Because it would be like dying right here.
Yeah?
Yeah. And off the idle it would be dying.
Even just when it's sat?
Yeah. It was inconsistent, eh? It was probably like, you know, maybe barely on the cusp of filling up the bowl, and then like...
Well, you probably will have a lot more power than before.
Well, yeah, I don't know. It all depends. Like, if it was failing and now it's just on the edge of, you know, being noticeable, it would have been fine before. This thing fucking went, man. Even the clock works in the dash, eh?
Does it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what she has. Still bogging, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's still bogged. But she's still cold. Oh yeah, I heard it right there.
Now what is that fuck?
That's timing.
Do you think?
Yes, guaranteed that's timing.
Maybe,
You can smell the raw fuel, so you're getting fuel, but you're not getting the fire.
maybe you jumped the timing fucking too.
Good dead goose. Very well could be.
Oh, there she goes.
It's still, it's And you bypassed the filter and the carb, you pulled it out and it was okay?
No, I put a different one in just recently.
Oh, okay.
I don't know, I think I might have wrapped it up quite a bit. I bet you it probably threw a shot this timing too.
Yeah, but that would be more like, it would be, you would, well, mind you, the hesitation would be on and off, unless you completely threw it. It might have been still cold. Get her warm.
Hey, you got a few minutes or what?
Yeah, I got a few.
Okay, so I'm gonna go down through Transcona the same distance of 50K. Well, oh fuck, I should have gone there.
Yeah.
We'll do the roundabout and then come back.
Yeah, that's probably your best bet.
There.
Well, I'll turn this off for now and I'll turn it back on if anything exciting happens.
Tell it's got something, eh?
Yeah, sure. Step on it when I turn off the camera, hey?
I'm just talking to you.
I know. Torque converter locking up?
No, it's just running rough.
That's your exhaust rattling that we're hearing now, right?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
But it is running very rough right now.
Yeah. Timing or...
I think that distributor needs to be switched out. Get rid of that HEI.
That's next. I got the actual numbers correct one.
Yeah, throw back in the old points system and
hey, what if the fucking timing weights are fucked and it's seized open?
Exactly, and when you revved it that fast, that could have happened. Yeah. So you don't have a tack in here, so you could have had her right open. So
nah, it's not gonna
yeah.
Anything now.
Is that your roof tin or your trunk making that noise, or just exhaust? Hey, look, someone's prepared. Fire extinguisher.
Yeah, I have expected it to burn.
Yeah. See, this thing here should be able to spin the tires right around on this guy. Yeah, you better wait. You gotta look and see what's coming here.
That's fucking bullshit, eh?
I would look into timing issues. Have you put a light on it?
You know what's funny is that chick I've been seeing in Transcona there, her mom's like, I bet you it's timing.
You know, to me, it sounds just like the Avant system. It's not kicking. I bet you those weights are seized.
It's sat for a long time.
Yep. Oh, I didn't even notice it's in miles too, eh?
Yeah.
Man, she has a big nose.
Yeah.
You had this thing now for what, 3-4 years almost?
I would say yeah, about that.
I think your 327 would beat it in the race the way it's running right now. Or the 305, I guess.
Well, I tell you, man, when it was running good, it was fucking good.
Yeah. I wish I would have seen it. Damn it, I should have came back in. So.
When's this?
Huh?
Well, the other day?
Yeah. For cruise night.
If I get it figured out, because I got tomorrow, I'm just hanging out with another buddy of mine. And we might just wrench on it. Because I had a job. My neighbor there, he's got to dig his trench a little deeper, but it's fucking 40 above.
Yeah.
So I got Thursday, Friday I'm working, so it's like a midday weekend.
Yep.
Midweek weekend.
And you already changed carburetors, right? So you changed carbs, fuel pump, and you did intake gasket or just carb gaskets underneath?
I did the intake gasket recently, but I already rebuilt the car.
Oh, okay.
I think maybe possibly Teflon tape in the car. Another thought. Because I had to, these bodies are really bad for stripping out on the fuel filter.
Yeah.
These early quadrudets, and they only have 2 quadrudet bodies. That's a car that I raced. Maybe don't show that, but...
Oh.
Oh, whatever.
289 in that thing?
Yeah. No, 302 he's got. And he's got the GT40 heads.
Give her a rev. Oh.
I can explain why tugs, eh? Like crazy with the timing being way off?
I would say that is most likely what the issue is.
No, but it's... Also, it could be a bad ignition module. I mean, look at the crust on it.
Well, that's easier to change.
Yeah, I guess I could just start throwing parts at it.
Throw parts at her, exactly. And of course, he still has this one here, and the old XL 175 still exists.
Yeah.
Man, that's like 10 years ago we made those videos.
Those were good times, man. We could buy bikes super cheap.
Yeah.
Because, like, you can't buy much for less than 500 to 1,000.
You still got the old 8-horse exhaust on her, hey?
Yep.
Well, that engine probably only makes 8 horsepower, so I guess it's perfect for it.
16, I think.
Is it? Oh.
That's what it says.
That's not bad then. Well, I'm out of here, so I'm going to change out the distributor to something different, and I guess give that a try. Yeah. How's the inside of the distributor look?
Oh, check it's a good distributor. It's not all dirty.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe I'll be back to make another update before I post this.
Before you leave town tomorrow.
Yeah, maybe it'll be another 2 years before I'm here again.
Maybe I'll sell it tomorrow for my full asking price.
Yeah, you never know, hey?